Ready to enjoy a fresher cup of coffee? Here's how to clean your coffee maker step by step. First, remove the used coffee grounds and filter. Wash the carafe and filter basket with warm, soapy water. Next, fill the water reservoir with equal parts white vinegar and water. This simple solution helps break down mineral deposits and bacteria inside the machine. Start a brew cycle without any coffee grounds. When the cycle is halfway through, pause the machine and let the solution sit for 30 minutes. This gives the vinegar time to work its magic. Resume and complete the brew cycle. Then run 2 full cycles with clean water to rinse out any remaining vinegar and residue. Finally, wipe down the coffee maker's exterior and warming plate with a damp cloth. Dry thoroughly to prevent water spots or streaks. Pro tip: if you use your coffee maker daily, clean it once a month. Always use vinegar for the initial cleaning, then rinse well with water to keep every cup tasting great. Too busy for even the quick stuff? Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. Call 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com, because your home deserves to be berry clean.